It is no secret that meditation has become a popular go-to for people as they discover its long list of benefits. Meditation is an essential process of training our minds to focus and channelize our thoughts. It increases awareness for yourself and your surroundings. It is also used as a tool to build on other beneficial habits, including positive mood, self-discipline, better sleep, increased productivity, and relaxed posture. Today, Purple Hippo brings you the 10 benefits of meditation that improve the quality of life dramatically. And while you're at it, subscribe to Purple Hippo and ring the bell icon to get regular updates on the latest and most useful videos we upload. Now let's start with number 10. Number 10 decreases blood pressure. At number 10, we have a decreased blood pressure that all of us could use given our fast-paced, hectic lifestyles. Over time, high blood pressure can force the heart to work harder to function, which can lead to poor heart health. High blood pressure can lay the foundation for constrictions of arteries that can lead to heart attack and strokes. Meditation has been found to improve physical health and reduce strains on the heart. Studies that are done with 996 volunteers who took part in non-vocalized meditation have shown a decrease in reduced blood pressure by an average of 5 points. Meditation relaxes the nerve signals that coordinate heart function and the tension in blood vessels due to the environment. Number 9 helps control the pain. At number 9, we have regulation of pain control and our perception of it. Meditation can help treat chronic pain by causing it as a supplement to medical care or physical therapy. It is clear that our perception of pain is connected to our state of mind, and that can get elevated in stressful conditions. Several studies have shown through functional MRI techniques that observe brain activity of participants, where some of these participants were given a stressful situation, while others a 4-day mindfulness regimen. The participant on meditation showed increased activity in the brain centers known as the control plane. Meditators showed a great ability to cope with pain and even experience a reduced sensation of pain. Number 8 improves sleep. At number 8, we have improved sleep through the management and control of the runaway thoughts that disrupt sleep. It is well known that over 50% of the population in the United States struggles with insomnia. It is seen that people who practice mindful exercises and incorporate meditative techniques in their lifestyle fall asleep sooner and stay asleep longer, as compared to those who don't have such lifestyle or habit. Insomnia is often coupled with anxiety and intrusive thoughts that can be redirected through meditative practices. These practices can help relax your body, release tension, and place individuals in a peaceful state of mind that is essential for a good night's sleep. This can also help reduce the risk of neurological diseases such as dementia. Number 7 helps fight addictions. Folks, we all have had an excessive unhealthy relationship with something or someone in our lives. These unwanted impulses or unwanted habits can be triggered by the environment we live in or our state of mind. These are generally known as addictions, which meditation can help overcome and avoid. It brings with it a mental discipline that can help break these dependencies by increasing self-control and awareness of addictive behaviors. It is seen that meditative practices can help people redirect their attention, increase their willpower, control their emotions, impulses, and increase their understanding of their actions. And here's the good news. Studies have also shown that meditation helps control food cravings, as it helps reduce emotional upheaval, which is a leading cause of binge eating. Number 6, helps reduce age-related memory loss. At number 6, we have the ultimate benefit of prevention against age-related memory loss. Meditation at least once a day can improve attention and clarity of thinking that keeps the mind and brain young and thriving. Practices such as Kirtan Kriya that involve mantra with repetitive motion of fingers to focus thoughts help engage the ability to perform memory tasks in scientific studies. It is also shown as a significant increase in mental quickness in older volunteers and helps fight normal age-related brain degeneration. It also helps control stress and improves coping in those caring for family members with dementia. Meditation seems like an elixir for an improved aging process. But before you go and learn some of these meditative practices to do once a day, drop a click on that bell icon and get regular notification to catch the latest on lifestyle advice and goodness. Number 5, increased attention span. At number 5, we can increase attention span in as little as 4 days of meditation. If there was any weightlifting for attention span, it would be focused attention meditation. It helps increase the strength and endurance of your attention. Studies show that even 8-week mindfulness meditation courses were found to improve participants' ability to reorient and maintain attention. Human resource workers who practice mindfulness in their routine stayed focused on their tasks for longer periods. It is also seen that meditation may reverse patterns in the brain that contribute to mind wandering, worrying, or poor attention. Number 4, enhance self-awareness. At number 4, we have the result of meditation that adds flair to an individual's personality and personal growth. It enhances level of self-awareness. Various forms of meditation help develop a stronger understanding of you and allow people to grow into their most authentic selves. For instance, self-inquiry meditation explicitly aims to develop a greater sense of understanding by becoming aware of those around you. These methods of meditation also help you recognize thoughts that may be harmful or self-defeating that could potentially impact your self-esteem and state of mind. This is based on the idea that greater awareness can help steer through patterns from more negative and self-deprecating ones to constructive ones that aid positive thinking. A piece of strong evidence in favor of this notion is the study of 20 women fighting breast cancer found that when they took part in Tai Chi program, their self-esteem improved in comparison to those who received social support. A great level of awareness can bring you to a mental state that may cultivate more creative problem-solving techniques. This also makes you more creative and better able to express that creativity. Number 3, promotes emotional health. At number 3, we have the promotion of emotional health and improved depression levels that create a more positive outlook on life. Several different meditative practices lead to improved self-image. However, chemicals that promote inflammation and are a precursor to depression can lead to a response of stress that can only be monitored through meditation and help elevate emotional health. A study compared electrical activity between the brain of people who practice mindfulness meditation and brains of those who didn't. Those who meditate showed a significant increase in blood flow of areas of the brain that are linked with positive thinking and happiness. Emotional health improvement leads to a positive impact on relationship. This is because empathy ability is enhanced with greater emotional health and hones on people's ability to pick up social cues that can bring stability and communication into relationships. Number 2, controls anxiety. Who wouldn't like a stress-free environment? Extensive mindfulness meditation practices can help individuals reduce their anxiety levels by managing thought processes. It also reduces symptoms of anxiety disorders such as phobias, social anxiety, paranoid thoughts, intrusive thoughts, obsessive-compulsive behavior, and panic attacks. Meditations like yoga help people reduce anxiety and involve good physical activity. They also help control job-related anxieties in high-pressure work environments. To prove that, one study found that a meditation program actually helped reduce anxiety in a group of nurses. Number 1, reduce stress. At number 1, we have the most common reason why people head towards meditation. Mental and physical stress can cause increased level of stress hormone cortisol. This produces many of the harmful effects of stress, like the release of inflammation, creating chemicals called cytokines. This has powerful effects on disrupting sleep, promote depression, anxiety, increases blood pressure, and causes fatigue and even brain fog. It is seen that experiments focusing on introducing meditation styles called mindfulness meditation reduces the inflammation responses caused by stress. It is seen that meditation coupled with music can improve symptoms of stress-related conditions such as PTSD, fibromyalgia, and irritable bowel syndrome. Meditation helps create a lifestyle that is free of toxic outcomes, especially in highly immersed urban life experience. So which of these meditation benefits have you already experienced? Leave a comment below to let us know. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button and share this video with your friends. Also, if you haven't subscribed to Purple Hippo yet, make sure to subscribe for all the cool content that we upload daily. Ring that bell icon to stay updated with our videos. See you in the next video.